what on earth do I mean by the lesson that a self-assembly bed from IKEA can give you about your business. So for people who just discover me, I'm Pascal from Pascal Poppins. I help you with tech, empathy, strategy and structures for your business, because any business needs to have some pillars to lean on to get results and momentum. So what does a bed from IKEA can teach you about business? You know the drill. You're really happy. You spotted a bed on IKEA catalog. You order it, bring it home, and then this happens. You have the assembly of doom to do. And too often we just get cracking, realize we've put the wrong bits together, have to undo them, put them back together again. All that also sometimes not calling in extra hands, and it's really hard. At least maybe sometimes you follow the manual, so you actually do the steps in the right order, you take your time and you assemble everything. That's the best option, best scenario. Would you do that every night? I'm insane, right? You wouldn't dream of doing that. You wouldn't waste that time, that energy. You would just maybe move somewhere else, or you may just throw your mattress on the floor, because that is an insane amount of energy, mental energy, all of that. But we do that in business. We run and we don't apply the same idea of build once, enjoy it every day. And it's really, really something I want you to ask yourself at the moment. Do you have the structures in place? Do you have the systems in place so you can lean on it? If you want to go to sleep, can you just go to sleep without wondering this and that? So that may not be really clear what a bed would be. So for example, all your client management, you do your thing, you coach, you sell, whatever you are doing. Are you starting from scratch every communication with them, every project? Do you build your bed every time? You don't want that, because it's so much energy. You are wasting hours. So every time you do this, instead of having an automation in your software of choice, so for example, I love ActiveCampaign and I'm going to do some tutorial on it. It really helps you set all these automations so that a new client comes in. If he buys, he gets the follow-up, he gets the onboarding, he gets all the explanation they need from that moment. Or you add them manually, because maybe there's something specific you need to do, or maybe you have really, really high-level clients and you send them directly a go cardless link after the call, and you don't want to have a button because everything is a bit different. There are ways around that to actually streamline and have you maybe just fill the details in the form, and all the little piece of tech you use are talking together, and you do the work once. You put the name, the surname, the email, maybe a couple of other information, and ding, 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 ding. That works out, and it goes everywhere. It goes in ActiveCampaign, it sends the first emails that explain to your clients how you're going to work or what to expect. All these things that usually you start from scratch. How many hours a week or a month that would free for you? Either to look for work, or to be with your loved ones, or to do fuck all, because we need that. So that's my question for you. Are you creating your bed every time? Are you building your IKEA bed in your business every time? Are you using templates, SOPs, automation? And I know lots of people recoil at the word automation or funnels, but it's not about missing out on connection. It's about making sure you give the same quality every time, because you set up the automation with the basic information you need. And it's all quality because you create that at a moment where you have the headspace for it, the clarity for it, the energy for it, and then it always goes out. So even if you're in a hurry, even if you're a bit tired, even if something happens for you in the family, you do something that's really tiny, like putting names and email address in a form, and all the rest is taken care of. So you don't have that extra thinking, the worry of maybe forgetting something, looking for that link. It's all sorted, so it's minimum impact on you that day, that moment. And even if you feel under the weather, the client can't see it because you've done the quality work at the moment that matters. And on the end reception of that effort, the quality is always there, even if you feel there at that time. So if you feel that is missing, or if you can look and scan at your week at the moment and your work and see where your IKEA bed you've been building every day for no reason, you want to change that, holler at me. We can have a chat. I will honestly, trustfully give you my best advice if we can work together, how that can look, or we can think of other options. But don't build your IKEA bed every day. There's no reason for that. You haven't built your business to torture yourself like this. So please stop. We all do it. I myself, I need to review them because the offers I've been putting out, I tweak them a tiny bit. The type of client I'm working, they've evolved. So even my process needs tweaking. And sometimes I stop myself and I'm like, oh yeah, actually, what am I doing? I'm not applying for myself, what I do for clients, which is classic. So it's all normal, we all do it. The only thing is to pause regularly and change things around so that you can work better and have better week. That's all that counts, not putting that on yourself for weeks and months and years for no reason. So I'm going to leave that to you. I've got some of that magic to do for clients. I'll see you around, and if you have any question, you can put them in the comments. It's nice to see who has seen, and any questions or comments are welcome, and I'll do more videos about this because that's my mission. I just want to make things a bit easier all around for you.